What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video is my September Boxycharm unboxing / try on and hang out with my mom and I this afternoon. Boxycharm is a $21 a month monthly subscription, and inside you receive 5 full-size items. If you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. Let's put these items to the test and see what look I can curate with this month's box. So one of the first things we're going to use from this month's Boxycharm is from the brand Luscious. This is the Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base in the shade Nude. I haven't used eyeshadow primer in such a long time, and that's a lot of eyeshadow primer I applied. The Guardian Angel for your eye makeup artistry. This cruelty-free vegan formula glides onto your eyelids without dragging or creasing, acting like a magnet for both eyeshadow, concealer, and eyeliner. This retails for $14. Blanked out my lids for an all-over seamless color. Next in the box are these brushes from the brand Alamar Cosmetics. It's made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential. This retails for $18. The brushes seem really nice and soft. We are going to be using this eyeshadow palette from the brand Pretty Vulgar. It's the Nightingale eyeshadow palette. And that's cute. The Nightingale Smoky eyeshadow palette made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture. This retails for $35. I like the colors in here, but I'm drawn more to warmer tone shadows. So first thing I'm going to use is the fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade called Hide and Seek, which is, it looks like it's more of like a matte shade. Let's work this right into that crease area as the transition. Ooh, and they were not kidding about that primer. This eyeshadow is just gliding on so smoothly right on top of the primer. It's not skipping. Next, I'm gonna pick up this shadow called Flip Out. I'm gonna use the same exact brush, and we're just gonna deepen the outer corners a bit. I don't want to go for a very dramatic look, and here we go. We're kind of creating a smoky eye. I am in a hurry today, so we're trying to do the makeup quickly. Pick up a bit of the shadow called I Spy with my ring finger, and I'm just going to pat this right on to almost close to the center of the eye, just so that it has a bit of dimension and some shimmer. Fluffy brush, and just blend that out of it. We're gonna go with Clutch. Just gonna pat this onto the rest of the lid space. Like a bit of Silver Spoon, this blue color, and I want to drag this along my lower lash line. So I applied my eyeliner, mascara, false lashes, and I also applied my contour and bronzer. Just gonna apply a bit of blush. So next we're going to be using from the brand Girlactic, and this is the Skin Glow Moonlight. It's formulated with crushed pearls. This creamy duo blends beautifully onto your skin, creating a fresh, dewy radiance. This retails for $26. I think I'm going to use this really pretty shimmery shade. Looks like a champagne, and just going to place this right on the highest points of the cheeks. Last but not least in the box is from the brand Violet Voss, and this is a liquid lipstick in the shade Slade. Ooh, that just, just way too much. Let's take this off. And now I have to go because my mom is waiting for me. I'm going to show you guys how the makeup looks. Here is how the makeup looks. I know I wasn't able to really share with you guys earlier, but I think the makeup turned out alright. I love the highlight because it's beaming. There's my mom. She's driving. She's protecting her arms from the sun. Eyeshadow, I like the way how it looks, considering that I ended up doing my makeup really quickly. Take you guys with us today. My mom and I are having our quality time. We're gonna go out to eat. We're actually heading over to Costco, and then we're gonna go watch a movie, Simple Favor, with, what's his name? The guy from
Henry Golding.
Yeah, Henry Golding from Crazy Rich Asians, Blake Lively, and Anna Kendrick. Mom, so where are we going? My mom is going to be showing me luggages. Going to New York in October for a childhood friend's wedding. So funny. Here's our lunch.
Turkey provolone.
My mom already ate her share. Split the chicken
Caesar
salad. And then what is this one that you got?
Strawberry fruity.
Ooh. We are now at Regency Theaters. We're gonna go watch a movie. Right, Mom?
Yes.
Please comment below if you guys have watched A Simple Favor or are planning to watch it. Would love to know your thoughts, your feedback on the movie. Hi. Fine, thanks. 2 for A Simple Favor.
That'll be $13.
Okay.
What's the name of the movie?
My mom and I are matching her cardigan and my Fabletics jacket. It's matching.
Siguro your best friend.
Mom, yes, Mom, you're my best friend. Just watched the movie A Simple Favor. Mom, what did you think of it?
I liked it. I really did.
I think we both went in not really knowing much about the movie. Just like the trailers that we...
All I knew is Henry Golding.
Yeah.
Golding,
Oh,
yeah,
it's cute.
Yes, story, the suspense,
Comedy.
and the surprises.
Yes, the surprises. But I gotta say, Blake Lively is beautiful. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Anna Kendrick is also beautiful, but I just have to say, like, Blake Lively, she is stunning. So my mom and I just arrived home, and I wanted to give you guys some feedback on the makeup. I've only had on the makeup for a couple of hours, gauge and tell you guys how I feel about these products. The eyeshadow primer from the brand Luscious. It's the Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base. It gave it a really nice blank canvas to lay the eyeshadows on. Have a tremendous amount of creasing with my eyeshadows, which I'm not sure if that's from the eyeshadows itself or if that's from the eyeshadow primer base. I'm definitely gonna have to try out this eyeshadow primer a little bit more and see how it will perform once I set it with either a flesh tone shadow on top of it. Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette, which is a very beautiful eyeshadow palette, I might add. Your satins, your mattes, you have some shimmers in here. All of these are on the cooler side. Overall, I think it is a great palette, especially for the value, but is this something that I would grab for again? I really don't think so. I'm actually thinking of passing this along to my mom because I know these are shadows that she kind of gravitates toward. As for the blendability, the pigmentation of these shadows, also the finishes, I like the shadows in that aspect. They glide on so beautifully. They're very pigmented, very easy to work with. Galactic Skin Glow Moonlight. I really like this highlight. Absolutely love Moonlight. I think it just gives like this almost like a wet skin effect. As for the trio set of brushes from the company Almar Cosmetics, really impressed with these. The only one I didn't use, which I should have used to carve out my brows, was this flat brush, which I also could have packed my eyeshadow with this. I used the flat brush to sweep some shadow underneath the bottom lash line, and then I used the fluffy brush, apply some color onto that transition area, also into the outer third. Definitely a yay for me with these brushes. Lastly is the lippy from Violet Voss, and this is in the shade Slade, which I honestly wish I could have slayed, but it is just way too pale for me, and it just didn't complement the shadows that I applied. It actually just, it made my lips look like they were blanked out in a way. Overall, I liked the look that I came up with using the items in my box. And I like how Boxycharm always guarantees you 5 full-size items, price point of $21, which is definitely a steal. Let me know your thoughts on these items. What did you guys think of them? If you guys received Boxycharm, what did you guys receive? Did we receive the same items or did we receive completely different things? If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you, love, so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.